Nobody do blue, and then he was like makes everywhere blues. But I think it's a stunning spider. I don't like spiders in the real person, but hey.
Yep. Usually blue is not a color you pick for spider, but hey, it's still really nice on your nail. So, got really high impacts. If you haven't seen a blue spider, now you do, and try some of this off.
One of a kind spider. Sammy, if you're watching this.
Yes, she is.
Oh, you're watching it? He'll
That's
pick.
your love.
He'll pick the blue for you, okay? I'm gonna do a 3D on the next one. I'm so excited, like 4D. You know, I have to say is really is a great years. We can't, able to come back at couple show before the year's end. And we're so excited for the next year's coming. We're gonna be back in like ABS Chicago coming up in April as well. And this year was really busy, and we're able to get the storefronts opened and greeting so many of you, so many of love and support. If you are watching the videos or you are watch replays, thank you so much for all of you in local Pensacola's come and support. Your amazing support, a lot of cool questions that you're asking for us is mean the world to us. Besides that, we can able to assist a lot of us on to social media, and just come and check out a lot of different techniques. We will not let you leave the store without you confuse it with the product. So we'll be right there and seeing you place with the products, and you are feel confident before you leave. But anyway, thank you so much. We've been like open for what literally of over a week, and we have so many love and support. So many of you all came in, and what to say is busy, which is awesome. And thank you. Last time we did for Sammy set is a little bit longer. This time we're doing a little bit shorter. I'm so excited for this. So now you're happy with this. We are going to absolutely keep it for 60 seconds. You know what? I have to say, be honest, it's really cute though. It's so adorable. And then actually it's pop. And this spiders,